everybody, welcome back to another vlog. This is Vlogmas day something, but it's a new vlog. Okay, today it's all about the tree. Oh, this is my $100 tree from Walmart, and I'm very much happy about that. So we will be decorating the tree today. It's not pre-lit, of course, so the first thing we need to do is to get this tree strung up with all the lights. So that's what Brady and I will be doing, and I know Brady is so happy to do all of this today. The tree is 7.5 feet. It has around 1,400 tips, and the tips is basically how fluffy it'll be when you spread everything out. So I really love that. It is not flocked. Well, it wasn't pre-flocked. We sprayed it, and you would have seen that in the previous vlog. So we sprayed it, and I'm also using a blanket that we had before as my tree skirt, so I don't have to spend money on a tree skirt. So that is what I'll be doing today, doing the tree, revealing my entire decor. It'll be a revelation to me and you because I don't know what it will be looking like. With this, it's going to hang off the tree, and then there's a higher chance of them falling off. So it's best to use this, and then like for the gaps with this, it allows you to basically like poke them in the middle if your tree was thinner. And then, you know, it's just good to have these in the event you don't have enough ornaments. So you can get this at the dollar store. I got it there for $1.75. And then I just cut these off, and it also makes it look a lot more sophisticated because it's green, and it kind of like just blends in with the tree. So I'm just placing these bigger ornaments all around now, but I wanted more of it to the front, whatever is going to be the front of the tree, just in case I don't have enough, then the front is not empty. Okay guys, so we're almost done with the tree. I'm going to attempt to use all of this and just add to the top of the tree as the topper, because I couldn't find any topper that I loved. So I'm going to use these picks and make a topper. So let's get into it.
Holidays and cheer, but now I got my eye set on you. Oh, I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. Let's show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh.
It's so late. Well, it's not late, but it's Sunday, and Sunday dinner would have been done a long time ago. But unfortunately, I've been trying to work all day, and I mainly have just the weekends to do what I need to do, because I do work Monday to Friday, and my life is just very busy, but I'm not complaining. So I'm about to make a dinner, and I'm really going to make something very simple, very easy.
I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away. Right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show.
Finally, I'm done making my dinner. I am starving, and I did literally the quickest thing I could make. I'm not a big red wine person, but this is not bad. Red wine made me drowsy, but this is not terrible, and it's not too dry. So we're watching Christmas movie, having dinner, and then we're gonna just chill on the couch and eat some ice cream and just chill for the rest of the night and prepare for work tomorrow.
Actually, no, I'm cheese girl.
But
That was my first.
are you done?
No.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's time to go finish our Christmas movie, okay? Okay, guys, so this is how the living room is looking. It looks so bomb. Let me show you guys before we get into this Christmas movie, because I might just fall asleep. Brady, can you get 2 of the other coasters in there for the ice cream, please? As you can see, the tree is in the cut and it's looking grand, right? Okay, let's start from the topper. I did not see any topper that I was liking, so I added this bow from Canadian Superstore, and these are all picks that are from Michael's, right? And they were buy one get one, so they were very, very affordable. All of the ornaments, well, most of the ornaments were from Canadian Tire. Okay, so for the tree, I went with the 60-30-10 rule, which I'm using 60% of my primary color, which is gold in this case, 30% of the second color, which is silver, and then 10% of the other color, which is white. So as you can see, there's just white sprinkled out, basically like very sporadic. It's not all over as the gold is, right? So I have the white, and then the golds are more prominent. The topper is gold, most of the bows are gold, all of that is actually gold. And then silver is the second color, so I have some picks that are silver. This is from Michael's. Some of the balls are both silver and gold. So that's it for the ornaments. That was basically my thought process. I have this bow, which is I think 4 inches, and then I have a smaller one here that is, you know, probably 2 inches. That's my thought process. Now for my garland, I got this from the Canadian Tire. This is already flocked. It does have pine cones in it, as you can see there, and it's also pre-lit. This one is having a surgery on its horn, so that's that so far. And everything else, I basically left it very simple because that's my vibe. I don't like the overcrowded kind of decor, as you can see. Now for my center table, I have these 2 vases that are from H&M. As you can see, I didn't put anything in this one because honestly, it's just for contrast, and it'll be too much if you put too much things and I go on up there. Then this, I got this from Canadian Tire, and then I just added this to just tie back in the gold from the tree into this. This is lightly flocked as well, so it goes great in this white vase. Then I have this candle that I got from Bath and Body Works that smells exactly like a real pine tree, so like a real Christmas tree, and I really love that. And then I have these coasters that are from HomeSense because I don't like people putting wet drinks on my table because that's just more work for me, and who wants to do more work? So that's that. Now for my dinner table, I just added a new runner, which is black and white, again tying into the black and white vibe. And then I added this gorgeous little candle from Bath and Body Works as well. This is Christmas morning, and it smells like Christmas, but not in an overwhelming way. I had this on my TV stand. It already came with these greenery vibes, and then I added these 2 picks that I got from Michael's. Okay guys, so that is it for my Christmas decor for now. I may be adding a little bit here and there. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna get the cushion for there, for the center there. But other than that, I feel like it's just what I want. Over the years, I feel like I'll do more stuff because I'll have something to start with. But for this year, it was already expensive to start from scratch, so I'm very satisfied with the way the tree came out. If I didn't mention already, the twinkle lights on this is from the Real Canadian Superstore, and then the other lights, as you can see, only some of the lights are twinkling. The other ones, those are from Canadian Tire. I used a total of 700 lights, guys. This is a 7.5 foot tree. So yeah, that's that. And this one, I forgot to show you guys this one. I got this one from Canadian Tire. These were $1, guys. They were $1. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down right now and just watch TV, eat my ice cream, and cuddle with my boys. And that is it. If I don't say bye before or after this, then this is a bye, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay, say goodnight, boys. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Bye. Bye.